Very good morning, students. Today we are going to see exercise 10.5, third question. So the question is angle PQR is equals to 100 degrees where PQR are on the circle. So here is Q. PQR are on the circle with center O. We need to find angle OPR. So this angle we need to find. So let us start doing the word solution for this. So given angle PQR is equals to 100 degrees. So we have one theorem that at the center, angle subtended at the center is twice the angle subtended by the remaining part of the arc. It means that according to theorem, we can say that angle POR, this angle POR is equals to 2 times of angle PQR. So already angle PQR is given which is 100. So 2 into 100 which is 200. So angle POR is 200. So at center in a circle will make 360 degrees. So in center of the circle it will be 360 degrees. So 200 means it will be around 160. So that is reflex of angle POR is equals to 360 minus 200 which is 160. Now in triangle POR, OP is equals to OR. Why? Because they are radii. So if OP equals to OR, then automatically angle OPR is equals to angle ORP. This is isosceles property. So if two sides are equal, automatically the angles opposite to equal side are equal. So these two angles are equal. So in triangle POR, so angle POR plus angle OPR plus angle ORP is equals to 180 degrees. So these two we can make it as same. So here 160 plus 2 times of angle OPR is equals to 180. So 2 times of angle OPR is equals to 20. Angle OPR is equals to 10. So this is the required answer for us. Next, in the same exercise, we are going to discuss 7th question. If diagonals of a cyclic quadrilateral are diameters of a circle. Okay, let us take a cyclic quadrilateral A, B, C, D. So diagonals of these. So this is the center. So diagonals of the cyclic quadrilateral are the diameters of the circle. Okay, so we need to prove that ABCD is a rectangle. Okay, let us start doing the word solution for this. Okay, first to prove angle A is equals to angle B is equals to angle C is equals to angle D is equals to 90 degrees. Any one of the angle we need to prove it as 90 degrees. So that is to prove. So let us start doing the proof. In triangle AOD and triangle COB. If I take triangle AOD and triangle COB, AO is equals to OC, BO is equals to OD, angle AOD is equals to angle BOC. Here this is the radii, Here also radii. Here vertically opposite angles. So therefore, according to SAS congruency rule, triangle AOD is congruent to triangle COB. So if these two are congruent, then we can write simply that angle OAD is equals to angle OCB by using corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So here angle OAD is equals to angle OCB. But angle OAD comma angle OCB are adjacent angles, alternate angles with transversal AC. So it is looking like these two are alternate angles with a transversal AC. Therefore, we can say that AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC, we can say. Since alternate angles, we can use the concept only in the case of parallel lines. So AD is parallel to BC, and similarly, according to CPCT, we can say that angle ODA is equals to angle OBC. So these two are also making the with the transversal or alternate angles. With the transversal, here the transversal is BD. So this is the transversal, in the first case this is the transversal. So we can say that AB is parallel to CD. So in quadrilateral ABCD, AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. So in parallelogram, opposite angles is 180 degrees. Therefore, angle ADB plus opposite angles are equal. Angle ADB is equals to angle ABC. Angle ADB is equals to angle ABC. Now, angle DAB plus angle ABC is equals to 180 degrees. Angles on the same side, angles on the line. So we can write angle DAB plus angle DAB is equals to 180 degrees. So it will be 2 times of angle DAB is equals to 180 degrees. So angle DAB will be 90 degrees. So angle A is 90. So a parallelogram in which one angle is 90. Therefore, ABCD is a rectangle. So next question is 8th question. If the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, prove that it is cyclic. So let us take a trapezium. So A, B, C and D. So AD is equals to BC given. So let us start doing the word solution. So given AD is equals to BC. So to prove ABCD is cyclic, so construction. So draw AE perpendicular to CD and BF perpendicular to CD. So here it is E, here it is F, perpendicular. So let us start doing the proof. In triangle ADE and triangle ABFC, if we take triangle ADE and triangle BFC, so AD is equals to BC, it is already given. Angle AED is equals to angle BFC, right angle. Next, AE is equals to BF, so parallel equal distance. So the distance between the parallel lines are equal, so we can write AE distance and BF distance both are equal. Now, according to RHS congruency rule, triangle ADE is congruent to triangle BFC. So triangle ADE and triangle BFC, these two are congruent. So according to CPCT, we can say that angle D is equals to angle C CPCT, and angle DAE is equals to angle CBF. This is also CPCT. So if we add 90 degrees on both sides, angle DAE plus 90 is equals to angle CBF plus 90 degrees. So here 90 angle DAE plus 90 degrees, we can take this 90 degrees. So that is angle BAE is equals to angle CBF plus 90 degrees. Here we can take it as ABF. Angle ABF. So angle DAE plus angle BAE will be angle A is equals to angle B. Means if I combine this total angle A, angle B, so these two are equal. Therefore, angle A is equals to angle B and angle C is equals to angle D. So in quadrilateral ABCD, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equals to 360 degrees. Angle A, angle B both are equal. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle A plus angle B is equals to 360 degrees. So angle A as it is, angle B as it is, in place of angle C. Okay. Angle C, here also angle C, here angle A. So 2 times of angle A plus angle C is equals to 360 degrees. So angle A plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees. So sum of opposite angles is 180 degrees. Therefore ABCD is cyclic.